Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games with a joystick on your mobile device. First, let's get your joystick connected. Most modern mobile joysticks utilize Bluetooth for a seamless wireless connection, typically within a range of about 10 meters. Simply turn on your joystick and enable Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. For some joysticks, a direct physical connection via a USB-C port might be an option, offering zero latency. Once Bluetooth is active, put your joystick into its pairing mode, usually by holding a specific button for a few seconds. Your mobile device will then scan for available devices. Look for your joystick's name in the list, often something like Game Controller or its brand name, and tap to connect. A solid indicator light on the joystick or a notification on your phone will confirm a successful pairing, ready for action. Now, let's talk about game compatibility. A vast number of popular mobile games, especially action and adventure titles, now feature native joystick support. Always check the game's settings for controller options and preset button layouts. For games without native support, several third-party applications can help you map joystick inputs directly to on-screen touch controls, giving you full customization over your gaming experience. To truly enhance your mobile gaming, practice is key. Spend some time getting accustomed to the joystick's feel and button placement. Don't forget to fine-tune in-game sensitivity settings to match your playstyle, often found under the Controls menu. A fully charged joystick ensures hours of uninterrupted fun. Consider exploring various joystick models. Some offer ergonomic designs for extended comfort during long gaming sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.